Hello! Welcome to This Week at EPL for the week of Monday, November 29th, 2021. I'm Andrew.
And I'm Hannah.
This is the second time that we're recording this
Yes.
today because we did manage to have some kind of echo last time.
Yes, it was pretty funny, but it was difficult to hear
Yes, indeed.
what we were saying or focus on what we were saying.
Yeah. Let's see. That sounds a lot better. Good. So anyway, top news, we do hope that everybody had a good Thanksgiving. Did you have a good Thanksgiving?
I had a great Thanksgiving.
Awesome.
I had 3 great Thanksgivings.
Nice. I think we had 2. We just had 2.
That's good. That's a good number.
Yeah. It's a nice even number.
Yes.
We are going to mention as well that we do still have the postponement of indoor in-person programming. So that means that anything that we have is either going to be outside or like a take and make or digital, something like that.
Yep.
What do we still have going though?
So
I did mention some of that, but sorry.
Yeah, that's okay.
Go ahead.
So all of our scheduled programming will transition into outdoor in-person programs or virtual formats, as well as take-home activities. The library will stay open and continue to offer home deliveries, curbside pickups, streaming, and digital access to all of our services. And we do thank you for your support and patience as we strive to serve our community.
Yeah, definitely. And then the website down here.
Yes.
Check that out for the calendar for more information on the home deliveries, and then for any of those other services that we have going on. Let's see. Let's go to some of the highlights that we have. Niche Academy.
Niche Academy.
Niche? Nietzsche?
I say niche, I think.
Yeah. That seems to be niche. Is fun to say.
It is. Or maybe that's right. Maybe it is niche.
Anyway.
I don't know.
It's a thing that we have.
Yes.
If we go to our website here at epl.lib.in.us, and then you can go to the resources section, and then looking at, it's going to be the third one down here. So that means you don't need to go to like everything that's all down here and figure out what you need. Here, Niche Academy, has things from, let's see here, Microsoft Word to Twitter, how to use them, Ancestry to the Lincoln Collection. You can kind of get a jump start on all that.
Everything.
Yeah. Computer basics here. For example, if you click on here, what is a computer? And then, oh goodness, this goes through a number of things here. And these ones have videos that you can see right here. Common computer components and stuff. I'm not going to click on this right now, but this is like a video that kind of gets you started as an intro. For example, Ancestry Library. It's got a video here about that. Getting started, search basics, kind of things that you need to know.
Yeah, these are all services we provide that are under our resources tab, so you can find these things, and these just explain how to use them.
Yeah. What's something here that you want to look at?
Research made easy. What's that?
Oh, where's that? Here?
Right there, yeah.
Explora. So it's an EBSCO experience. So that's like a research database. It says research database that helps you find sources for information on various topics. So again, clicking on this kind of gets you started with that.
Does it have screenshots below?
Let me see.
It looks like.
I don't want to. It's got a video.
Oh, go scroll down on it.
On this? Oh,
yeah,
I see what you mean. Yeah. I think it's kind of an overview of what is down here, like how to create an account and everything, and how to look things up.
Yeah, kind of like a step-by-step thing.
Yep. If you need to, let's see here. Hoopla, how to use Zoom.
Oh, yeah.
Google Sheets. That's kind of cool. You would have to, I guess that's something that's happening a little bit more now. You'd usually you used to purchase like Microsoft, spread whatever they called it.
Yeah,
Excel.
Spreadsheet. Oh, Excel.
But then you can do similar things in Google Sheets. You can Instagram, how to make an account on Instagram. The Lincoln Collection. This is pretty cool.
Cool.
Did you ever? I don't know if the Lincoln Museum is still open.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I've never.
I remember going there when I was in school. I don't know what year it was in school. It does say, come take a behind-the-scenes tour of the Lincoln Collection at the Allen County Public Library in Fort Wayne.
That sounds fun.
Yeah, learn about the history of the Lincoln Museum, the housing and the upkeep of the current collection. We hope you'll come visit us. So that's kind of cool.
Yeah.
And these, I believe these are all available outside of the library. I don't think you need to be here to look at this through these links and such.
Yeah, just visit our website and you should be able to do it at home.
Yeah. And then again, that website is
Yes.
epl.liv.in.us. Let's see here. So with the absence of indoor in-person programming, some things that we've got for children and adults. What are some of those things?
Make and take kits. So you can pick up children's make and take kits down in the children's level. Every week there will be a new craft that you can take home and make. This week it's a bird feeder involving peanut butter and birdseed. So feel free to take one or more and work on it at home with your family. And then for the adult take-make kits, it shows on the website what each week will be, and this week is
snowman necklace.
Yes, so that's fun.
And then we've got things like ribbon candy ornament, Christmas tree, string art. Oh, that looks kind of cool. Peppermint candy dishes. Mini winter hats, bath bombs.
Cute.
I'm sure that's gonna be popular.
I'm just gonna make a bunch of little tiny winter hats and put it on everything.
Yeah.
Just have little winter hats on our microphones next week.
Oh goodness.
Yes.
We need to do that. Anyway, yeah. So those for both children and adults.
Yes.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, and you can look on the calendar, and it shows you what each week will be, so you know before you come in here.
Yeah. We do have a couple of things to mention as well, especially so coming up actually Mondays, the homeschool program that meets on Mondays, there is a 10:30 and then there's like an 11:30 as well.
Mm-hmm.
Let's actually check that out on the calendar here. Let's go back to this and then let's go back to here.
It might not be on the calendar.
This one here says Eckhart Envoys. That is
Okay.
10:30. I'm not sure if the 11:30 or 11:15 one will be meeting, but you'll want to keep an eye on the calendar for that. So, for example, this one is definitely meeting outside, so that's how that one is still meeting. There are some people that are wanting to continue with that, which is cool.
Yeah.
Make sure you're wearing warm clothes and all that kind of stuff.
Yes, definitely.
So that's one of the things where you definitely want to check out the calendar for that event. It could be up on Facebook as well once that gets all squared away, because we kind of had to go through and like clear out everything and then put them back in eventually individually as well. Story times.
Story times.
I'm actually going to be starting story times.
Oh.
10:45 a.m. Tuesdays, live streaming, and then it'll be up after the broadcast on Facebook, and then we'll put it on YouTube as well.
Yeah, fun. So kind of like this.
Yeah, I'll be here. I'll tell you. Say hello, friends. Hello, friends. It'll be fun. It'll be fun. EMOS home deliveries.
Yes.
That is happening this week. Fridays.
Yep, Fridays. The Eckhart Public Library Delivery Program fills orders and delivers to homes, preschools, nursing homes, anywhere that people may not be able to come to the library. So it's really nice. You can always sign up for that on our website. You can request delivery.
One of the cool things here is that Eckhart Public Library staff can select materials based on whatever your needs or requests are.
Yeah.
So even if you're like not sure what you want, let's say you want some books, some young adult style books. Maybe you're like, oh, you know what? I've only read like Harry Potter or whatever, and I'm not sure what else, but I'd like to have some other things here. Or like I've read stuff by this author. Maybe something by them, or I like crime mysteries.
Yeah, they can recommend books and pick ones out, especially for you.
Yeah. Do you like a good Christmas carol?
I do. I love Christmas carols. I'm not good at Christmas caroling, but
I like some. What about Charles Dickens' A Christmas Carol?
That's a classic.
Yes, it is.
Very good.
Through the month of December, Eckhart Public Library staff will be reading the entirety of A Christmas Carol in 17 sections. That should be fun.
Yes, that will be very fun. I'm excited to see how it turns out.
Yeah. Each week that will be so December 1st through the 23rd, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's going to be up on Facebook and on YouTube as well. That should be fun. I'm excited. We've already
Me too.
recorded a couple of them.
Yes.
We only have a couple days until that goes live. Keeping the jolly
Oh,
theme
yes,
going.
keeping the jolly thing going. Starting today, we are now accepting letters to Santa. So if you have any children who would like to write to Santa, they can do so. Just make sure that you include your name and address so Santa can return your letter. You can drop it off in the external drop box or in the mailbox that's in the children's department.
Yep, it's nice and kind of candy cane looking.
Yes, it's very festive.
In the lower level main library, children's department, and then of course across 12th Street is where that drop box is.
Yes.
I know a lot of people don't already know where that is. Like they knew the drop box that we had before that, which there was one for a couple years in the parking lot there, and then there was also one that was closer to the building on this side of 12th Street. But this one is in the alleyway. Wanted to remark about teen stuff as well. So since we don't have the kind of normal coordinated programming, there are a couple things that can still be done at teen. Lego open play.
Yeah, that's fun.
Yep. So there are big boxes of Legos that can be crafted with, and other things that are arts and crafts related. So like paints and scissors and papers and things like that. You can create things with that. You can come in if you want to. You can come in with your teen, and you can make a Christmas gift.
Yeah, that's fun. That's a good idea. Yeah.
That seems like something that you'd always do with like your elementary school age. But I mean, if you need a place to work on something, you know, you can come with your teen and work on it at teen.
Yeah, absolutely. And we have all the supplies, so. Yep.
And then also, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, there will be video gaming equipment that's available to play in the lower level. So stop by, see what's going on with that. It's not always something that's going like constantly. Sometimes it goes in little bits and pieces. Like they won't sometimes be pulled out until like the last half of the day. But kind of hang out, see what's going on. Ask if there's anything that's going on that day.
Yep.
Let's see. Anything else fun?
I don't think so. I think that's it.
I think that is it.
Yeah. This was a successful second take.
That's right. Without the echo.
Yes.
Echo. And now it's time to oh, sorry. Anyway, that's all for this week. Stay tuned to Facebook, YouTube, and the website, which is still down here.
Yes, you're good at that.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.